Laisse ma mère que c'est passé comment?
La pierre à bouche.
Alors qu'il y avait des barils qu'on
So, Mama and Dali, what's happening actually here at the kitchen?
You can see us really working in action,
Yeah.
preparing for the break.
Okay. All right. So, in an event like this, how do you organize yourself to be cooking food, breakfast, lunch? How do you organize the work?
Okay, in the morning there's someone in charge of what will load the bread, and then there is another one in charge of just taking care of the bread, cut the bread. And then there's another group in charge of loading the bread. Then there is another group, fourth group in charge of serving.
Serving.
Yes.
Is that the same way it happens with lunch? Like,
Yeah, it's the same way that is going to happen with lunch. Here we have someone in charge of. You start the fufu, and then the
Yes.
next group take over.
yeah.
And then there's another group in charge of the soup. In fact, everything is well organized.
Now we see many people activating themselves behind there. What is on the menu for today?
Okay, we have fufu and granite soup okra.
Wow. Wow.
And then for those who do not eat fufu corn, yes, we have rice and stew for them.
yeah.
Yeah, that
Oh.
is what we have in the menu today.
I want to acknowledge that you people are doing a wonderful job here, because I saw how many people are there. It's about 2,000.
Yes.
Being able to cook food morning, a day and evening for 2,000 people. How does it feel? How do you manage that one?
In fact, the first thing we do in the morning is that we ask God to come and take control of the whole thing and come and help us cook. And then we pray that everyone should at least have food.
Yes.
That no one stay without having food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see that you are always looking behind a way of managing, checking how your work is going.
Yeah,
We
it's true. I'm used to controlling, so
Yeah.
to make sure that things go right. It's true that I'm not the one controlling, it's
Yeah.
Sister Colette. So I'm used to So I always make sure that things go on well.
Will not take much of your time. We'll just leave you to go right to your task. And since I'm seeing that there's much work, I'll not leave you go alone. I'll also join you to go and give a hand.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
Please
God
come
bless
and
you.
assist me. Thank you.